Hello, this is George Senda, and some days just nothing goes right. The first video, I clicked on the button, nothing happened. I didn't know it. And the second video, my finger got in the way, so I didn't get a video of Tiny One looking under the table at something that wasn't there. So I don't know. It's just one of these days where things aren't going right. Kathy's going crazy. Her sinuses are going crazy. My sinuses are going crazy. And all this rain is making the pollen count go nuts. And then there's the other thing. I'm not getting notified of everybody who subscribes. So I got a long list of people. So let's get that out of the way. And I thank all of you. We have Mika Studio. And they get boxes of anime things. So that's very interesting. I may subscribe to that. $15 a month to as high as $35, depending on what you want. Star Trek, Marvel, Hello Kitty. Chelsea, Lida, and friends, thank you. And some of these, I did not get notified these people subscribed, so I just knew about it going into my subscriber list. I'm not very happy about that. Sovereign and Free. Toys, Family, Fun, and Games 7. Mary Egan. Sayer, No 10, Seder, Jim Starnes, or Starnos, I can't read my own writing, I'm sorry about that. Smart Scene Games, the Gian Sisters, again, I can't read my own writing, Tao Teen, Tulag, Linout, and Ruby Rouge. I looked at the Ruby Rouge channel, and everyone that had content, I subscribed, as we all should be doing to each other, or for each other, so that we get our counts up, so the evil YouTube will have to pay us if we get to 1,000 subscribers. All right, this is Burgh Unboxing with an already unboxed box, so I will just show you what I got. Now, this has a curious tag on it. Got the giant packing slip. The back of the packing slip. There's the packing slip. Or the return label, actually. And the tags, which are interesting because U.S. size 54, France is a 64, Germany is a 72. I'd be fatter in Germany. Spain is 64, Portugal is 64. On the other side, they have sizes France a 3X, and I wears a 3TG. And I have no idea what the TG stands for. France has to be different. Germany is a 3X, Spain is a 3X, and Portugal is a 3X. And then they have this tag with, I don't even know what the hell this is, Italian, Spanish, German, Trocken und bietet absoluten Comfort, and you will be comfortable. Japanese and Russian. I don't know if you can. And then the other side, it says, keeps you dry and comfortable. This moisture transferring, where does it transfer to? Technology moves and disperses sweat away from the body. I wonder where. Pacoima, Pomona? For quick evaporation, keeping you comfortable during physical activity. And then, vous permet de rester à sec et assure le confort in the original French. So there's the tag for that. All right, this is a nice Columbia shirt. It's got the brand name. I normally don't like brand name shirts, but this was the only one I could find that was reasonable. And this is a nice, soft, very soft, red shirt. So I will wear this next week to going out with Kathy. And she's got more Patty revelations. So stupid. And Tiny One was under the table looking at something that wasn't there. And she jumps up like boink and then runs down the hallway. And then comes back and looks again and goes boink. And I missed a great moment. That's why I wish I'd get my GoPro camera back. I could easily, I want the GoPro 6 so bad. It's got the screen. I can see what I'm doing. My finger won't get in the way of the lens. So anyway, that's the latest Burgh Unboxing. A new shirt for me. And I thank all my new subscribers. all the rain is making the pollen count go crazy. Kathy called me, "What's going on with the rain? I'm dying here." And I'm blowing my nose like crazy. And we had two fairly big earthquakes off the coast of California today at about 8:30 in the morning, over 5. No tsunami, but that was interesting. And Riverside had one, near Riverside, a 4.0 that people felt it all over. So I think the Alaska quakes, 54 aftershocks, I think that affected other areas, and I think they always do. So that's what's going on. Oh, another one I didn't write down, Curly Girdly TV. Thank you for subscribing. So I hope this is not a portent to stronger quakes. They even had one near the San Francisco Zoo, which is on the very edge of San Francisco. You go a little further, 2 blocks, and you're in the Pacific Ocean. So, all right, I got to go on cat feed. Fuzzy's in here. Little girl wouldn't come in. She's so shy. I go, "Come on in, little girl." She starts to go in the door, and then she won't come in. And Jeremy LaJoy sent me this message saying that Tiny One needs drugs. Well, if anybody knows about drugs, it will be Jeremy LaJoy, who snorts blueberry and frankenberry and goes down to bus stops to scare kids with his mask on. Oh, wait a minute, he's not wearing a mask. So that's his deal. He likes to go down and scare kids while snorting blueberry. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day and stay warm and safe out there. It is nippy outside, and my nose is running like crazy. So that's one of the side effects of rain. The grass pollen goes through the roof, and I'm miserable. Have a great evening, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.